Rinse and repeat. First coat done, 3 more to go. So in this case, I decided to do a 4th coat because at the end of the 3rd coat, the finish was still a little blotchy. So the 4th coat took that away. This looks really good, so got to finish carding it. I'm gonna tell you, this barrel is super hot. Yeah, that's much better. Still a couple little blotches, but I think when we get the oil on it, that'll smooth out. Alright, so this is not a tutorial in bluing. If there's any interest in me doing a masterclass on how I polish and blue, let me know, and we can do that over on Patreon. And anybody that's really interested, if you want to come over and join me on Patreon at the $3 or $5 level, we can look at doing a masterclass. Otherwise, guys, thanks for being here. No, I'm not going to show it to you this time. The next time we get together, I am going to put this thing together, and then I'll let you see the barrel and the assembly as it's done. We've got a couple more things to do. We have to do the pad. I talked about that in the last video. And I've also got to fix that forearm. That forearm needs a repair, and that'll be a video all in of itself. Got to fix that forearm, do a repair to a piece of chipped wood that's in there, do the whole refinishing. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Ring that bell so you get notified. I do a lot of this stuff, and I'd love you to be there. Thanks for being here. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Cameras everywhere. I got them everywhere so you can see everything. See you guys later.